If you see lightning flashes in the sky but there's no rain, quickly find shelter.
Wait, what's going on?
But before that, if you can count how many times I say the word lightning, like and subscribe. I'll pin it later.
Done!
Okay, this phenomenon is called dry lightning, or lightning without rain. This type of lightning is extremely dangerous because it can cause massive wildfires. It mostly happens in very dry areas where lightning strikes can ignite fires without the rain that usually helps to dampen them. So make sure to share this video with your friends or family.